that I would not linger. I'd be back by and by.
All right, going back to old Kentucky. Thanks, Kenny. We got Kenny White here, who is a great multi-instrumentalist and has graciously agreed to do a backing up the singer.
Backing up and push.
Yeah, backing and pushing on the singer for this little series, this little ArtistWorks series here for my Darol Anger's Fiddle School. And Kenny is here. He's old friend. He's been doing bluegrass and playing all kinds of music, swing and everything for many years out in Kansas, and currently he happens to also be the president of the IBMA. So it's a real special moment here for me personally, and hopefully for Kenny too.
Always, definitely.
Relatively special. Anyway, so yeah, so we're just talking about how to back up, you know, a singer and what you like and what's going on here. So we just did a little bit. Kenny's nickname is Kentucky, so we thought, you know, some genius.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go back to old Kentucky.
Yeah.
So
Perfect.
we're going to do one more verse, and then we're going to do a chorus. We're going back to old Kentucky for you. It's just to demonstrate what we're talking about here, how to back up a singer with the fiddle, which is what this whole thing is all about.
Linda Lou, she is